Mystery Man here, back for another video. I'm gonna upload number 3 audio test, and I made the button bigger, which is probably gonna make it harder for me to miss the button. I should probably make it a little bit smaller because it's interfering with the. Should probably make it 20 and then move it a little bit right. Okay, there we go. And now we have to pick our kits. No, not the deep shark. Oh boy, the ribbon. I can't hear the sound, but I'm currently doing 3 ticks to the right. See if that works. And I'm still running slower than all of these guys. I'm gonna go up here. See if this works.
You've taken the lead.
Got him. Oh, it feels so weird to have the button back up there while I'm reloading. See, where's the guy? Where's the guy? Where's the guy? Pretty sure that's. Oh wait, no. There we go. There he is. Gotta reload. Dun 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 dun. Right there. Come on. Got him. Oh, darn it. Ah. Could've got him right there. Got him. The accuracy on this, though. I should probably remove the silencer then.
Changing mag! Enemy sentry gun has been destroyed. Hostile drone inbound.
Got him. And I don't have any ammo. Gonna make these last shots count. Darn it, come on. Darn it. Only have 3 bullets. Darn it, I missed it. Come on, give me a normal gun. Oh boy, I'm gonna die. Ooh. Can't shoot. Oh, died. I ran out of ammo now. Let's see how this works. God, I'm gonna minor assist.
Reloading. Cover me.
Come on, move. Move. He's like right there.
Enemy in sight.
Got him. You know what I'm gonna do? Wait. Oh boy.
Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed.
That did not kill them. No. Oh wait, what? Okay, that worked. Oh my goodness. That is weird. Where are they? Oh boy, there.
Predator missile on standby.
There's probably gonna be more people here. Oh. Interesting. I'm gonna go into your enemy base. And I'm just gonna realize what got him. Oh wait. What? Got him. My comrade got shot down. No notifications. I'm probably gonna track down. I have the mini map. Oh man.
UAV online. Reloading.
Oh boy, gotta move the recording thing. Okay, the guy's in front. He's trying to move forward.
Enemy
Aha! Come on. Hey.
Reloading. Keep on them. We're winning this one.
I don't know where's that coming. Oh boy, it's coming from here. I think. Come on, show up. Oh, I barely got him.
Hunter killer drone deployed.
I gotta use Predator missile. Missile.
Predator missile inbound.
Got him. Now I know there's a truckload of people there.
We're almost there. Keep it up.
Come on. Dude, oh, they're dodging on my bullet. Okay, minor assist. Gotta move to the ground. Come on, is there any guns? Any guns? Any guns? Any guns? Any guns, please? Any guns? Oh, what? We won. Hey. Come on. Oh, off up there. Ooh, that gun's accurate. The LK-24. Okay, good. Okay, for next kill. Okay, I gotta change the ribbon.
Mission accomplished.
Again. Veteran 1! Yes! Okay. I got veteran like a truckload of times. Okay. Now I gotta change. Move all the. Can I ignore all the alerts, please? Oh, I gotta check the yep. Wait, what? Oh yeah, we got another break. Gun camos. Gonna open all of these. Why not? 500. Okay. We got an equivalent of notification. Camo. This one. Yep. Backpack. Yep. What else? Backpack on this one. Oh yeah, I gotta change the ribbon explosion. Okay, I'm gonna remove the silencer. I can't use extended mag. Probably laser sight's gonna be better. I'm gonna change it to tactical. Screw it, I'm gonna change it to yeah, I should be good. We got a reward, nice. Okay, let's try this again. Let's see that I can shoot the button more. I just gotta use my aim. And we're at Crash again. No, Crash is the one with the train. No, not the train. The airplane collapsed. Yes. This one. Oh boy, my screen. Oh, okay, that was weird. Where's the enemies at? Come on. Oh no. Reload. There's probably more here. Oh. Definitely got him there.
Changing mag!
Grenade. Eat that. Oh, what? Okay. Then I use my. Yeah. Smoke so I disappear. A ninja never tells us secrets. Damn, get him. Team. I have more accuracy. It's me. Okay. Wait, let me see if I can do the parkour. Oh, never mind. Should I try snipers? Why not? Sniper only match. Let's go. Gonna switch to my secondary gun so I can get a head start. Now. Okay, let's go. Okay, just gonna move up here. Go to the stairs.
Grenade out!
I almost missed that.
Taking the lead.
Come on. Whoa! What type of gun was that? A stack gun. I knew it. Okay, yep. Ruben fire. Let's go. You. Gonna put a grenade here because why not? Okay, I see that you like accurate guns then. Accurate guns, you get. Oh boy, where's that coming from? It's coming from behind me. Wait, where's it coming from though?
Enemy contact.
Last time. Where is that coming from? Is this the same guy? That gun is fast, and I'm scared. Oh boy, I gotta really upgrade my game here. Oh boy, was that an enemy? That's definitely an enemy. That gun though! DS-35? What? Okay, let's see how this works. He's here. Oh boy, he's up there. That gun is way too fast. I cannot. Okay, yeah,
Heads
let's
up,
go.
team. Enemy UAV spotted.
Okay, at least I know where he is. Oh boy.
Reloading!
A lot of people in the front.
Changing mag!
Jeez Louise.
Reloading. Changing mag! Reloading! Cover me! Reloading! Cover me!
Oh no, I'm gonna run out of ammo. Come on, grenade. Ah. Oh boy. No. It's the fast gun man. I'm gonna call him that. XX Vios. Oh boy, watch out. Ow. Oh no, my brother's here. What is this? Season 3 introduces the fastest guns out there. Okay, he did. Gotta reload.
Reloading! Cover me!
He's definitely in this building. Dude, that gun! That is way too fast. That's like the MDW green zombie thingy, and they're catching up. Oh boy.
Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted.
Dude, that gun! I killed somebody with a grenade! Yeah. Okay, that was pretty cool. Okay. Yep. Just gotta remain in the shadows. If they can't see me, they can't get me. Am I right? I'm grenading the gun. What the hell is happening? That guy's on fire. How's the flamethrower? Okay, at least we got him. I need to get that gun. That very powerful gun. That gun is way too powerful.
Reloading!
Oh my gosh, there's people here. Got him. Okay, steal the gun, steal. Oh, that was not the gun. That's the other gun. No, I need that purple gun. That guy was on the roof somewhere. I don't know where.
Keep on them. We're winning this one.
Got him. No! Oh my goodness, it's going horribly wrong. They gotta catch up.
Cover me!
Yes. gun. No, that's the wrong gun. Okay, let's get faster. Okay,
We're almost there. Keep it up.
we won! Yeah! Okay, that was close. No. Need to upgrade my weapons. Wait, is there somebody trying to phone call me? Matt is calling? Okay, never mind. Like and subscribe. Wait, never mind. I'm gonna upgrade my guns. I mean, not upgrade them. What's it called? Change them? Let's see. The market's becoming very competitive. I see. Come on. Where's quit? Where's quit? There we go.
Good job.
Dude. How many kills did I got? 10. Clan. Rank. Ooh, nice. Okay, guns. Okay. I'm gonna change this one. I'm gonna change it. I don't want to be that guy with that gun, to be honest, because everybody follows the trend. Oh, I could do that gun. No, the M16 is the same thing. I'm going for the AK-47 is actually pretty good though. What? I swear okay, it's probably gonna be able to. Yeah, I'm just gonna go for this one, and then for the sniper, I could change it. Ooh, come on, gun. Aw, okay. Yeah, I feel like this kit should be suffice. Yeah, okay, like and subscribe. Adios.